You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a koozie. So we get started by measuring the koozie. We're going to measure the width and the height, and then we're going to go on to our canvas. So I've already gone ahead and measured everything, wrote in what I want, and now I'm going to duplicate it a couple of times because I'm going to make a couple of koozies. And one of the things that I highly recommend is to save your scraps. I have this binder full of scraps that I have left over sometimes when I'm working on projects, and you can definitely reuse these a couple of times. Well, not really use them, but use what's left over. So I'm just going to pull these out and see what will fit on my mat, and kind of go from there and arrange them from there. All right, so I'm going to send everything to make it, and I'm going to place my vinyl. And my mat doesn't stick anymore, so I'm just going to tape it down. And now go into rearranging this. And now I'm measuring. I'm kind of looking at the grid lines to see where everything ends, where everything starts, so that they do print out or cut out on my vinyl. And I'm going to add another piece. And then I'm just going to continue to adjust things on my canvas. And now that everything's printed out, I'm not sure if you can see it on here, but everything is cut out where I placed it. And just kind of looking at everything to make sure that everything is good. And I'm just going to take it off. Take that tape off that I used to help adhere it to the mat. And now we're going to start cutting everything out and weeding everything off. So I'm thinking about taking these little simple things off of my videos, which this one has a little bit of it, but I've taken a lot of things out of it, made it a little bit shorter and easier for people to follow, because these are pretty basic things, even though I kind of like this. But let me know what you guys think or what suggestions you have. So jumping into the next step here, we're going to place everything on our koozie, make sure that everything is aligned, and then we're going to press it with this pretty cool heat press that I got. And that's it, you get your koozie. I hope that you guys enjoyed this shorter video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys for watching, and feel free to check out my Facebook and my Instagram. Thanks again.